In a dusty old garage, Foxy the little cat was ready for his biggest challenge yet. A rusty, beaten-up vintage car rolled in, and everyone said, "It's beyond saving." But Foxy had other ideas. With clever paws and a determined heart, he hatched a plan. He worked all day, fixing, polishing, and tinkering every bolt. Slowly, that old car roared back to life, shining brighter than ever. The owner's eyes sparkled with joy. "Foxy, you're a genius. You saved my dream car." Foxy just purred, proud as ever.